Hi all, this is week 3 of my daily crochet practice, making one piece a day. So I'm really glad that I made it this far, and this is week 3 where I have a new theme, which was stepped geometry, and the colors are blue, cognac and olive, with an addition of pink. And I only used the pink on 2 days. I think it was the 4th and the 7th, but I might be wrong. So first I will show you what I made this week. So this is day 15. Now I have to look this way up. 15, 16, day 17, day 18. And as you can see, I tried to put a stepped kind of version into every piece. Like this one has the steps up and the blue steps down. And you can see I used the pink in this one. 18, 19. Again with a stepped version, more like this one. So you could look at it like that, but it's like this. Day 20, another steps, maybe a little bit opposite to each other, but it's still steps to me. And day 21 with the addition of pink as well. So this week there has been a kind of shift, and I used to call what I do creating, but I always do that because I want to be known as an artist. It sounds a little bit posh, but it's how it works in my mind. I never made it to art school when I was a girl at I think I was 18 years old, and I tried to get in, but they refused me, so I didn't get in. And so that's always a little bit of a harsh point for me, and I want to see myself as an artist. So I use the word creating, but creating, I felt in this case, is too much. It feels too much, like, oh, I'm creating a 365 days, and no, I'm making. It's every day showing up, making. It's a process. It's not that it's about what I'm making. It's about the process, about being present, and being at peace with myself, with my surroundings, feeling well. That's what it's about. So I shifted the whole thing. I stopped calling it creating. I now call it making. And at the same time, I also felt that I'm less involved in showing what I'm doing on social media, which sounds a bit odd as I'm making this video for YouTube, but still I feel that I'm a little bit less present on the social media apps. Uh, so it's going to be a slippery slope, I guess, because I really like to use social media and like these videos as a diary, as like I'm keeping up with what I'm doing. So it's fun to do, but I feel like I don't need to chase followers or to chase numbers or things like that. So this was week 3, 7 days of making, and let today be gentle.